What is a crypto heirloom? Unlike physical assets, which can be lost or stolen, crypto heirlooms are stored securely on the blockchain and can only be accessed by the owner with the private key. A crypto heirloom is a digital asset that is passed down from one generation to the next. This makes them ideal for long-term wealth preservation and transfer. Some of the most popular crypto heirlooms include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, and Apex Legends Crypto. What is Apex Legends? Apex Legends Crypto is a new form of a crypto heirloom. This has been created by the game developers of Apex Legends. In the game, players can earn and trade crypto heirlooms. An example of this is the Kryptos B1 Blade. The Kryptos B1 Blade is a crypto heirloom that is used in the game Apex Legends. It is one of the most powerful heirlooms in the game. The blade is said to be able to cut through anything, including diamonds. If you are interested in this, then please be sure to check out the game Apex Legends. Apex Legends and other games like it use cookies and data associated with your web browsing activity to personalize ads and content that you see on other websites. Depending on your settings, this may include showing you interest-based ads on other sites based on your activity. Ad serving is based on real-time bidding, a programmatic advertising technique that allows ad space to be bought and sold on a per-impression basis. These apps also uses engagement and site statistics to show you how popular certain crypto heirlooms are. To avoid spam, fraud, and abuse, crypto heirlooms on Apex Legends have set a limit on the number of heirlooms that can be created. Currently, the limit is 2 per person. Audience engagement and site representations, including those on Apex Legends, show how popular certain heirlooms are. They use site statistics to understand which heirlooms are most viewed and by whom. This is then used to recommend ads based on past viewing history to you. It is also used to measure audience engagement. In addition, in order to deliver and maintain Google Analytics, they use first-party cookies. This helps build a customized YouTube homepage based on your viewing and reading history. That is why it is important to spend a little bit of time learning more about crypto heirlooms. Regardless of whether it be your own cryptocurrencies that you are passing down or whether it is an in-game token like those offered in the game Apex Legends, spend a bit more time learning about them to gain a better understanding of a good investment for your future. A great way to learn more is by researching online and using Google. So continue to YouTube to get more information about this type of investment.